Okay, I'm back from my speed run, and this is what I got to show for it. 37.6 miles an hour. That's pretty pathetic. But off-road, you know, bouncing around a lot. I don't know. Yeah. Alright guys, I got my MT10 out today. I had the Granite out yesterday, but I didn't get a read and I blew out the diff on that. So I've got a Meilan GPS that I just picked up, and it seems like it's a little simpler to use than my GNNS or whatever. But anyways, let's see what kind of max speed we can get out of this. I'll be running on 3S. I've got Castle Creation's Sidewinder 4 in this thing. Can't remember what the KV is, but I'll tell you later. I think it's like pretty high, like 5200 or something. But let's see what kind of speed we can get on 3S, okay? Let's get her running. Camera's on, ready to go. Let's see what kind of speed we got. This little MT10, man, it really cooks along really well. Got a nice, strong little truck. All right, here we come. Whoa, where are you going, buddy? I want you to go up over that. Come on down nice and easy, buddy. Here we come. Coming right at us. Not even at full throttle, man. Jeez. Good brakes. Let's try it again and see what happens. It is recording, right? Yeah, got 8 miles an hour. Now let's see what we got going here. Are we recording or not recording? I don't know. Okay, we're recording now. All right, let's hit it, man. Let's hit it. One more try. It just doesn't want to keep the front wheels down. It's full rear-wheel drive on this thing. All right, let's try it. Come back and see what we got for speed this way. Oh, Jesus. 37. Man. I'm just pegging it, man. And all I can get out of this thing is 37. Doesn't seem right. Top speed 37, I guess. All right, let's go have some fun in the sand. All right, guys, let's get jamming. Take it easy on the tires. Don't want to blow them out. I know there's like a gutter over there somewhere. I'm probably in it. I don't know. Okay, here we come. Full throttle, man. Trying to ease in on it. I don't want to balloon them tires too badly. Whoa. All right. Let's go retrieve it. Give it another run. Tires don't seem like they're ballooning that bad compared to before. Oh, don't do that. Okay. Whoa. Thing's really ripping, man. Okay, here it comes. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Oh, come on, baby, come on, baby, come on, baby. Okay, whoa, okay. All right, let's see what we got for speed on this baby. Something sounds kind of funny. Now it's decision making time. Being that this gear is stripped out and you know I'd have to buy a new diff basically. That would be the easiest way to do that. I can rebuild this one, but it just, I don't know. I'd rather get the upgrade and upgrade it. Why waste your time? So I would probably do that to the front and back both, but I also have a Typhon and I don't know if I should go 4S on the Typhon or keep working on this thing. I'll investigate and find out how much the diffs are, and then if I want to replace it, I'll replace it, but for now I don't think I do. All right, I'll be signing off. I hope this helps somebody somehow.